our hips are actually standing for the creative energy. Again, we're back at the sexual energy, the creative energy, which is actually the same. The sexual energy, every creation came out of it. But it has also to do, your hips are having to do with your future, how you look at your future. If you're moving towards your future, or if you were held back, if you move forward or held back, well, imagine this balance that is created by your hips, the balance to stay on both feet equally strong in the very moment and move forwards. Tashere. And how do you see your future? I want you to think about this. Is your future friendly? Is your future dangerous? Is your future giving you many opportunities? Or is it a disaster? Are you afraid of it? Or are you totally open to it? You might have experienced the one or the other suffering or the one or the other illness, and your future seems unclear because of what people said, maybe people from the medical profession and or other people because of their experiences. But it's you who shapes the future. And the moment you go deeper into yourself, you realize that you have possibility to shift it into a direction as you desire. But there, we need to understand our own power of creation and strength.